Which stocks are known as the Magnificent Seven? The stocks of Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, Amazon, Tesla, Meta, and Alphabet have all helped power the tech-heavy NASDAQ composite over 30% higher in the first half of 2023. It was also the NASDAQ's strongest first half performance in more than 40 years. Nvidia, the AI chip stock darling of Wall Street and the best performer of the group, gained a whopping 195% in the first 6 months of the year. It's now the largest position in my personal stock portfolio. And the rest of the Magnificent Seven didn't do too badly either, gaining nearly 40% or more, with Meta and Tesla both up over 100%. These are truly astounding results. For a little background on who named this group of stocks the Magnificent Seven, do you remember FANG? FANG, which stands for Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, was the original moniker for high-growth tech stocks coined by CNBC's Mad Money host Jim Cramer. He also coined the Magnificent Seven this year, and only Netflix is excluded from that original group. These Magnificent Seven stocks represent the 7 largest market cap-weighted stocks in the NASDAQ 100 index, and they're responsible for the majority of the gains, not only on the NASDAQ, but also on the S&P 500 as well. So, will this group continue to power the stock market higher in the second half of the year? History tells us yes. So if you've been waiting on the sidelines, now might be as good a time as any to buy a low-cost index fund. History also tells us not to try to time the market. To learn more about investing and personal finance, subscribe and follow Opportunity Stocks on your favorite socials. Well, that's a wrap for this video. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see you on the next one.